Hey YouTubers, this is Jim with Tennessee Farm. I'd like to tell you something about the garden or something about the chickens right now, but it seems like all we got to talk about is tons of snow. It is blizzard conditions. We got horizontal snow happening right now, but about 2 to 3 inches out here, but it's drifting so much dry snow, it's really hard to tell. But Decatur, Tennessee, we're getting hit pretty good right now. Breaking chicken water out here every few minutes, breaking the ice for the chickens to drink. So make sure you take care of your animals, take care of you, and stay out of this stuff. If you don't have to be out in it, don't be there. Tennessee Farm out.